15 seconds left.
All right, Thunder RC Saturday Off-Road. Appreciate everybody coming out to Thunder RC today. Small little crowd, but still some good racing today. Some tight racing. We race again in next Saturday. We race again next Saturday. And I think we're off the week after that. So this week and next Saturday, and then we're off a week, and then we're back on for a couple weeks. So don't forget Thunder Summer Sizzler, or Summer Thunder, yeah, Thunder Summer Sizzler 2016, July 29th. 30th? July 30th. That's it. The 30th. Make sure you get signed up on RC signups. What? Yeah. Well, it depends on how many we get for signing up. I'm cutting it off at 100. Yeah. So, one-day race, 2 qual point qualifiers, 2 bumps, double A mains. Should be interesting. So, like I said, do appreciate everyone coming out. John Barron gets an extra lap in both his mains. He brought me cheer wine. All right, David White was your BQ. He is gone to the house. Family is always important. That'll put Mike Ratnauer up at the point, followed by John, Evan, and Jeff Mobley. Watch it straight, watch it straight. I need my 4-wheel drive buggy drivers out here to Marshall. 4-wheel drive buggy drivers out to Marshall. Help them out there on the street. The white one is on the point. Right there. And then the silver and the blue upside down. Back the silver up. Back the silver up. Right there. Are we ready? Marshals are working their way around. Marshals disperse. No, just leave them like they are. That's perfect. I intentionally did that. No, actually, there's one up in front of that. Well, yes, technically speaking, that's perfect. Aye. We need somebody by the bathroom. All right, drivers, are we ready? We good? All right, drivers. On the tone, less than 5. Woo! Dodging and sliding back behind the leader there, Mike. Evan up to second around Barrett John. Brumley falling to the back as Mobley gets around as John taps the pipe. They work their way down the straightaway. Oh, Evan cartwheels but lands it. That's going to look spectacular on the video later. Oh, Mike gets it sideways. Mobley upside down, lets John back around for third. Evan to the lead in the silver. No bumps today. So Mike trying to get back around Brumley. John holding that line in that second, in that orange and green. Oh, Mike cartwheels through the 5-pack. Mobley upside down. Had a chance to get around him. Evan now stretching it out to a 3-second lead. Brumley setting fast lap.
Left.
Mike gets around Mobley. Sets his sights on Brumley. Evan running clean laps. Got a lot of room to him this second, so he could just run his own race. Mobley upside down in the sweeper, losing ground to Mike, so Mike got a little bit of breathing room to set his sights on John. John down the straightaway, still 3 seconds back. Mobley, coming the leader, come up on him, gets out of the way. Appreciate the sportsman driving out there. Oh, Mike into the pipe. Doing everything he can. Oh, he throws it upside down in front of the driver's stand. Put him on the other side of the pipe. Oh, put him on the other side, other side, other side, other side. Put him down. Oh, no. Oh, Mike pulling it off. Oh, Mobley, watch him go low on the straight, low on the straight. So Evan, Brumley takes the lead. So John in the lead in the green and orange. Evan down in the second. Mobley down a lap in third. Oh, Brumley trouble through the 5-pack. Lets Evan take back over the lead. Brumley pulls the trigger down the straightaway. Trying to close back in on Evan. Pulls the wheelie over the tabletop. Evan into the 5-pack. Brumley right behind him into the 5-pack. Goes single, double, double. Oh, but he tries to take out Mark. Oh, he puts it between the pipe again.
3 minutes left.
So Jeff not in contention with Brumley there, as Brumley tries to get back into second and chase down Evan. Brumley about 6 seconds back behind Evan. Mobley down that lap behind him. Brumley with that fast lap of a 16 flat. Evan with a 16.4. Mobley with a 16.9 fast lap. Oh, Brumley upside down. Mobley going to get his lap back, but takes it to the wall. Brumley closes back in him, pulls the trigger, works it into the infield. Evan now going to have about 3/4 of a lap lead on Brumley.
Two minutes left.
Mobley running clay tires. Oh, Evan going for the big double off the 5-pack there. Putting a little air on it. Oh, but he gets it crazy through the sweeper. See what kind of lead he's got over John. John now about 12 seconds back, so Evan all kinds of breathing room, but doesn't want to break it. Nice and consistent laps, gets the win.
1 minute left.
Evan out to a 15-second lead. Looking to put a lap on John. As John has a lap on Jeff. Jeff not losing too much on that lap, though, but still works his way through the 5-pack with 35 seconds to go. Evan going for the big air on the double. Double, single, double for Evan. 20 seconds to go. Evan coming up behind John. Might want to play it smart. Oh, he rolls it. 5 seconds to go. Should be last corners. Marshall, stay in your positions till the
Car
race is
4 is
all
done.
complete. Evan taking the win.
Car
Jeff,
5
you're
is
done.
done.
One more to finish. One more to finish, Marshalls. One more to finish. Please stay. And
Car
John's
3 is
done.
done.
So Evan takes the win, followed by John and Jeff. All right, Eddie, Mark, John, Osborne, and Russell. All right, easy on the warm-up. All right, just waiting on John Barron to come out. All right, that is Energy TQ for two-wheel drive mod buggy. Followed by Mark Thomas, John Barron, Osborne, and Russell. Up there, Osborne. Osborne. There we go. And Russell making the A. All right. We got marshals. Yes, we do. All right, drivers. On the tone, less than 5. Ooh, Eddie rolls it a little bit, but stops before I hit the button. Oh, trouble between John and Osborne, getting tires tangled. Russell just sitting there in the catbird seat, trying to stay with this group. Oh, Osborne, Mark upside down. Quick marshal from Scott Fuller because he knows the paint job. Up in the front, Eddie, John, Russell Thomas up in that third spot. Oh, Eddie rolls it. John goes sideways. Mark now trying to put pressure on his brother, Mark, as Osborne takes it to the pipe at Mount Thunder. Up in the front, though, John goes for the double. Eddie singles. John does a rail grind. Mark closes up even further on Russell. Eddie trying to hold on to that lead. Yanks the trigger in front of the driver's stand.
5 minutes left.
It's down the straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark trying to put it inside. Russell comes in the infield in the white. Mark in the black and orange. Scott Fuller paint job. Mark goes out wide. Goes over the kicker. Rolls it. Goes for the triple. Makes it. Puts it back on Russell's rear bumper. The battle now for third and fourth into the infield as Eddie stretched it out just a couple feet there on John. Oh, they tangle at the kicker. Russell trying to hold on. Mark tries to go inside. Oh, the leader upside down on the sweeper. So John, watch the sweeper go low on the sweeper, low on the sweeper, low on the sweeper. Oh, Mark gets around Russell. So Barron up to the lead. Mark taps the pipe. Russell back to third, sets his sights back on Eddie as Eddie works his way through the sweeper. Russell right behind him in the white.
4
Eddie gets
minutes
sideways
left.
a little bit. Oh, Russell taps, loses ground to Eddie. Barron out and gone as Barron in the green, your leader. Getting some sportsmanship driving out there. Appreciate it, guys. Eddie in the orange and blue. Russell with Mark on his back bumper again. Eddie goes for the single double. Big run on the 5-pack. Russell goes out wide. Mark takes it to the pipe. So Russell gets a little bit of a lucky breather there. Oh no. Eddie upside down. Gonna let Russell close back in on him. Russell going with the smart single double through the 5-pack. Puts him right on the rear bumper of Eddie. As Mark falling just a little bit back. Your leader across the line. Eddie goes out wide again. Russell inside. Eddie goes for the big triple. Oh, Russell takes it to the pipe.
3
Mark
minutes
inside.
left.
Oh, they tangle coming onto the straight. Russell holds on to it. So Russell rolls it. Mark right there on his back bumper. Trying to get the clean pass. Oh, he goes inside. They go through the 5-pack. Oh, Mark throws it through the 5-pack. Russell down the straight, still holding on to third. Mark right there taps a little bit coming into the infield. This has allowed Eddie to get a clean run as he starts to chase back down on John. Oh no, Eddie, trouble off Mount Thunder. Russell still holding on. Now 1.8 behind Eddie. Is Eddie now 9 seconds behind John? The battle right now through into the 5-pack. Russell and Mark. Mark trying to find room to get around Russell. They battle through the sweeper into the infield. Eddie just a few feet in front of him.
2 minutes left.
Trying to hold on to that second spot. Russell Eddie backwards through the 5-pack. Russell on a back bumper. Second, third, and fourth down the straightaway. Oh, Russell rolls it. Mark taps him. Marshall in the middle. As second place comes into the 5-pack. Second, third, and fourth. Russell, Osborne. Oh, the second on the pipe. Russell gets caught up. Mark up to second now. So Eddie sitting in third in the blue and orange. Russell right behind him, and the leader coming up to lap the field. Osborne doing sportsmanship driving there, trying to stay out of the way as these guys lap him. Oh, the leader taking it to the wall. No fault to Osborne there. But up at Mark. Pulls it out. Eddie tries for the triple. Taps Russell's rear bumper.
1 minute
Russell
left.
back into that third spot. Eddie down the fourth. The battle now, third and fourth again, as Mark stretching it out in that black and orange. Russell in the white, Eddie in the blue. Goes for the triple, tries to go around the outside. Pulls the trigger on the inside. Russell yanks it himself, holding off Eddie Leonard. With 35 seconds to go, does Eddie have enough time to get around Russell? He goes, oh, they tangle. Oh, they tangle again. Russell caught on the wall. Eddie waits. Russell takes off. 15 seconds to go. Mark coming up behind this battle to put them a lap down. The battle for third and fourth, though. Eddie lawn darts it. 2 seconds.
Car
Russell,
5
you're
is
done. Mark, you're
Car
done.
4 is done.
Eddie, you're
Car
done.
1 is done.
John Barron taking the win. Mark Thomas
3
bringing
is
home
done.
in second.
Car 4
Russell
is done.
third. Eddie fourth. And Osborne in fifth. Unbelievable, guys. John Barron going 14-9 to take the win. The battle, third, fourth, and fifth, separated by about 10 seconds. Nope. They caught you. Like .0 something. Aye, two-wheel drive, SCT mod. Amen. Scott Kershaw, your TQ, followed by Spencer and Hunter. You are in the back. All right, we just need a driver some last race. Back out to Marshall. Watch it on the straight. Easy on the straight. Easy on the straight. Easy. Don't break it before you get going. Driver some last race. Back out to Marshall. Oh my gosh. Haven't even started racing and they're beating each other up. Marshalls, where you at? Hey, Russell, you want to marshal the next one? Oh, okay, marshal the next two. We only got 4 races. 2 more to go. All right, line them up blue, white, and black. Blue, white, and black. Blue, white, and black. All right. I heard that. He told me that. All right. This is the main event. When the buzzer goes off, you pull the trigger as hard as you can and don't lift to the end of the race. Okay? All right, drivers. Yeah, no more. Yeah, no. That was probably from your driveway. All right, drivers, on the tone, less than 5. They take out the leader. Oh my gosh. Hunter out to the lead, followed by Spencer and then Scott. No rocks. Oh, Hunter puts it over the pipe. Spencer upside down. Scott takes over second. Oh, Scott sweeps it through the sweeper. Oh, bad Marshall. Bad Marshall. He did that. Oh, my gosh. Oh, your leader upside down. Second tumbles through the 5-pack. Spencer closing in on Scott for that second spot. As Hunter trying to do a clean run here. Oh, they tangle, father, son.
5 minutes left.
Hunter in the lead. Oh, father takes out son again. The leader rolls it. It's a good thing I'm hand counting them. Your leader in the black, second in blue. Spencer in the white in third. Oh, he takes it to the pipe. Scott trying to close back in on Hunter now. Wake up. Oh, no. Trying to pop a ball in back on. That's allowed Scott to get away from Spencer. Little help from the marshal gets Spencer back in the game.
4 minutes left.
Only 8 seconds behind Scott. Scott 5 seconds behind Hunter, but Hunter upside down. Oh, Scott trouble through the 5-pack. Down the straightaway. Here comes Hunter. Here comes Scott. Spencer working his way through the 5-pack onto the straightaway. Hunter goes out wide before he goes to the 5-pack, but rolls the single double-double, the quickest line through there. Oh, he taps the pipe coming out, though. Let Scott close in on him. They both pull the trigger down the straightaway. The gap, 0.7 seconds. Hunter in the black, Scott in the blue. Oh, Scott goes inside. Can't hold it. They go into the kicker almost side by side. Scott into the 5-pack now in the lead. Tumbles. Hunter back to the lead. Down the straightaway. It is Hunter, Scott, Spencer trying to close in, but through the sweeper. Oh, they're bouncing off walls. 7/10 gap at the line again. Spencer comes across on 2 wheels. Oh, Scott goes inside, but tumbles through the 5-pack again. Spencer pushes him through, pulls the trigger over Mount Thunder. Scott goes to the lead. Hunter down to second now. Spencer works his way down the straightaway in that third spot. Oh, Hunter upside down by the bathroom. Your leader crossed the line in the blue. Hunter down the straightaway. Now 6 seconds back. Gonna have Spencer start trying to come up on him. Oh, the leader works his way through the 5-pack without any problems this time. But will he not thermal? He's had trouble in the qualifiers. And that has allowed Hunter to take
2 minutes
a
left.
good run at him. With 2 minutes to go, drivers. Oh, your leader. Nice barrel roll through the 5-pack. Hunter down the straightaway, trying to close back in on Scott. Now 3 seconds back. Hunter with the fastest lap on the track, 18.2 to Scott's 18.5. But Spencer with an 18.3. Oh, the leader upside down. Spencer upside down. Hunter. Go, Spencer. Oh, Hunter rolls it through the 5-pack. Scott still in the lead in the blue. Hunter, a little bit of short tracking. Oh, he catches the pipe again. Scott comes across. Hunter gets some help. Oh, Hunter to the lead. So Hunter back up in the lead now.
1 minute left.
Less than a minute to go. Can he hold on? Oh, Scott rolls it off the kicker. Hunter down the straight in the black. Scott works it on Mount Thunder, trying to close back in. Hunter works it over the tabletop. Spencer takes it to the wall. Scott catching the pipe. 35 seconds to go. Hunter stretching it out on him. Was 5 seconds. Oh, little block in there from the sun. "20 seconds to go. Now Hunter, clean track in front of him. Scott coming up on Spencer to put him a lap down. Spencer gets out of the way. 10 seconds to go. Oh, second place rolls it. Oh, no. Did it die?
Car 2 is done. Car 1 is done.
Just waiting on Hunter to finish as he rolls through the 5-pack.
Car
Hunter
3 is
Hickman
done.
taking the win, followed by Scott and then Spencer. Good run, Hunter. I got money. That was better. 18 laps. 18 laps. You're killing me, Scott. You're killing me, man. Okay. Good run, though. All right, drivers from the last race, back out to Marshall. Drivers from the last race, please come back out on Marshall. And Russell. I don't have any more up here. Just grab one after. Or grab one now that we're still waiting on. Go, 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 go. Oh, yeah, absolutely. It's just track time, man. Track time, track time, track time. You got 18 laps. You had an 18-second lap. Hey, with me hand counting. With me hand counting. I'm counting because you guys don't have transponders. So I hit you somewhere between here. Actually, Hunter, go grab that cone at the far corner. Yeah. Hey, wait till you see the video on YouTube. Here comes John Barron, your second qualifier. Waiting on Mark to not break his car through the 5-pack. Get back in that corner. No, back in the corner. Stand back there, yes. Stand next to the cone. I'm in trouble. Hey, you're the winner. You get to stand in the corner. Stand in the corner. As soon as Barron checks in, we'll be good to go if he actually finishes a lap here. Oh, don't kill the kid. Oh, my gosh. Whee! Whee! Oh, wait, that's Curtis. All right, line them up. Line them up. If Russell would like to line them up. Scott Fuller, your TQ, followed by John Barron, Mark Thomas, Osborne, Jeff, Mike, Green in second. The Incredible Hulk. And then Blue, Osborne in fourth. No, yep. Right there. And then Mobley behind him. Mobley fifth. Jeez. I got that. That was some excessive pushing though. Because I'm creasing your body now. Aye, drivers. Marshals, watch your corner, not the race. Drivers, A-Main, four-wheel drive, my buggy, less than 5. Woo! And we're off into the infield. Oh, Mark taps John, ends up taking it to the pipe himself. Up at the front, though, Fuller. Oh, Barron goes for the triple inside. Oh, they tangled at Mount Thunder. That puts Osborne up in that second. As he goes a little wide, John gets around him. Mobley in that third spot, or fourth spot. Oh, the gaggle in front of the bathroom. Fighting it out for third, fourth, and fifth, and sixth. Osborne in that third spot, though. Fourth, fifth, and sixth down the straightaway. Mike in that fourth spot. Mark in fifth. Jeff in sixth. Scott now stretching it out on John Barron. Barron in the green. Scott in the black and orange. Tiger Lily. Oh, trouble for Mark. He gets it backwards. Gets spun around. Puts Mobley back up in the fourth. As Mike in fifth and Mark back down to
5
sixth.
minutes left.
And he's going to have the leader start coming up on him in a couple laps here. Looks like Mobley taking it to the wall. Catches the pipe. Same for Mike. Going to let Mark close in. Oh, John Barron upside down. Going to let Osborne close in on him. Osborne through the 5-pack, through Mount Thunder, onto the straightaway. It is Scott Fuller in the black and orange coming into the 5-pack. But the battle right now, oh, they tangle. Mark waits, the leader, right behind him. Oh, they tangle. Mike takes back over that spot as Mark gives it back to him. They battle on now. But it is Scott Fuller working his way through traffic. Oh, Mike throws it around side along with Mark. So they battle on for that fifth and sixth place. Oh, Osborne getting around John Barron there. Fighting it out for second and third. Oh, Barron drives up the rear bumper of Osborne. Catches the pipe. Osborne gets a little bit of breathing room there in that black and blue. So Osborne in second now, about 9 seconds behind Fuller. John now 1.2 behind Osborne. Mobley only 3 seconds behind John, but he's got the leader coming up behind him. Looks like Mike holding on to that fifth spot. He's 7 seconds behind Mobley. So Mobley got all kinds of breathing room behind him. As he is about 4 seconds behind Osborne now. No. Trouble for John lets Osborne, back by him. So Osborne back in the second. John back to third. Mobley still holding on there, running a clean line. John goes for the big triple, trying to close the distance on Osborne. Osborne through the sweeper, John through the sweeper as they come up behind Mike.
3 minutes left.
Mike finally letting Mark Thomas around. Mark out to a 2.6 second. Oh, Osborne through the 5-pack sideways, loses position. So John up into that second spot. Osborne in that third spot. Mobley in fourth. Mark fifth. Mike in sixth. Scott Fuller, your leader, coming into the 5-pack. Osborne going for the triple, trying to close back in on John. He's 2.2 behind, but he's got the leader right behind him. Oh, Mike upside down. Mark now trying to chase down Jeff Mobley. Mobley in that blue and yellow. Blue and white. Mark in the blue and yellow. Mark 6.5 behind Mobley.
2 minutes left.
As Mike has gone down a lap to Mark. Osborne 5.3 behind John. Mobley only 3.9 behind Osborne. Trying to run this nice consistent run. Osborne down the straightaway. He's in that blue. Oh, hold on, let me pick him out. I missed him somewhere. Yeah, there he is, that blue and silver. Goes for the triple, cartwheels. As he has put a lap on Mike than the all-white there. Osborne now 5.3 behind Barron. Barron works his way over Mount Thunder down the straightaway. He is 10 seconds behind Fuller, but the fastest car on the track with a 14 flat to Fuller's 14.2. Mobley, 4.1 behind Osborne. Osborne into the 5-pack. Mobley, front of the bathroom. Mark.
1 minute left.
Down a lap. Still chasing Mobley. About 10 seconds behind Jeff right now, as we've got less than a minute to go. Fuller works his way in front of the bathroom, trying to stitch it out on John. John down the straightaway in the green and black. Scott in the black and orange. Osborne in the blue and silver. Mobley in the blue and white. Mark in the blue and yellow. Barron goes 13.9, a lap 22 with 20 seconds to go. Whoa. Oh, Barron cartwheels out of the 5-pack. The closest battle right now, Mobley works his way down the straightaway. He is about 7 seconds behind Osborne, but 1 second to go. When you hit the line, you're done. Osborne, you're done.
Done.
John, you're done. Mark,
Car
you're
2 is
done.
Car 3
Jeff
is done.
Mobley, you're done. And
Car
Scott
5 is
Fuller,
done.
you're done.
Car 1
That's
is
a race. Scott Fuller takes it 25 laps. John Barron, 24. Osborne, 23. Mobley, 23. Mark Thomas, 22. And Mike was 17. Again, we race next Saturday, everybody. Next Saturday. Should have a little bit bigger crowd with everybody back from AMS. A lot of motor. That's it.